Got my Mr Mrs Pac-man pinball machine open now, and I'm going to try out my new Squawk and Talk board. The Squawk and Talk board, the Mr Mrs Pac-man's on the door, and here's the original one, and there's mine put in. Got the 18-pin connector here and 2 pins for the speaker here. It's running straight off of the machine. Let's turn it on and see what happens.
Gotcha.
It says gotcha at the beginning. That's interesting. Cool. So the track mode seems to work. It says gotcha at the beginning. I'm supposed to say Pac-Man. I'll have to figure out why it's saying the wrong word there. But seems to work pretty good. The mounting holes look pretty good. I'm only using 2 of them. It's kind of flapping a little bit here. Might have to drill some holes for the other sides of the board. There's a couple lights on the board. There's a light for the 5-volt power supply, and the MP3 player itself is flashing every once in a while. I have to look at the code to see if I'm doing that or if it's automatic to tell you that it's on. The playing of the MP3s is a little more complicated than just playing the sound immediately after getting it from the MPU. There's actually 4 different rules that I've found so far, and there actually might be a 5th one. The first rule is if it's a background sound, the MPU will only send the command once to play it, and it's expected that the soundboard will repeat it over and over again until another background sound comes. Now, on the Squawk and Talk board, the background sound actually is turned off when any other sounds are playing. On mine, it's blended, so the background is always going. The second type of sound is what I call a normal sound. It plays right away. As soon as the MPU triggers the sound, it starts playing. The third type of sound I call is a sound hold. When the MPU sends the sound command and it's a hold, the soundboard will wait until it stops playing all sounds and then play that. And the 4th one is voices. The voices typically will stop anything else from playing, but if it's a voice, it will hold. And the reason for that is that when it's going to send a phrase or a couple different words, the MPU actually sends them at the same time, and the sound card plays one, waits, and plays the next one. There's actually a 5th sound that I'm pretty sure exists, and that is a kind of a low priority sound. And when that sound comes up, if there's something already playing, it will not play it at all. It won't even put it in a queue or anything. I'm pretty sure that one exists. I'm going to have to do some detailed listening while playing and comparing between my board and the stock board. Let's try the game out. Coin it up. Start the game. Sounds real good.